you've got mail.
A significant increase in the homeless population. To combat this growing problem, the United States government came up with an ingenious solution. First, they gave $5 billion to Israel.
I see you're expecting again.
I am, yes.
What number's this?
Number 4.
Good Lord, 4?
I know. There must be something in the air.
Yeah, probably your legs.
Cybertruck is updated and it should not be crushing any bananas. I'm so impressed. Everybody's been waiting for this, the finger. Without further ado,
Batman, if I had you here, I'd pound you to a pulp!
Start pounding, Joker.